Hi everyone, I'm here today with a project share with the items that I received from PandaHall Selected a couple of months ago. I'm behind on posting this video because I've had some hard times in my family. I've had some sickness and some deaths in my family. So I'm finally getting around to this, and I want to thank Tammy with PandaHall Selected for being very patient with me while I get these projects done and uploaded. But I did start working on them, and then I had some sickness and death in the family, and I wasn't able to really finish. So today I'm going to show you some project shares with two of the products, two of the four. I got 4 items. I will link my unboxing video down below. I will also link PandaHall Selected's information and all the links to the items that I purchased or had sent to me. I didn't purchase these. These were sent to me for free. So to start off, it's going to be the enamel pendants for Halloween. It was a 20-piece box, mixed shapes, and they came in these, and this is all that I have left. And I also have this 48-piece. These are pendants, glass globes. Some are frosted and some are transparent. I did not use all of these, only a few of these, but these are so cute. I just love them. So I know most of this is Halloween, and that's basically what I ordered. I get some Halloween items. So for starters, I'm going to show you these cute pins that I purchased. These pins off of Amazon, and these purple and black beads are something that I picked up at Michael's. And I just used 3 of the charms: the spider, the witch hat, and the bat, and then one of the glass globes. So that's one. And then here's the second one I made. Oh, these are so cute. I just love that owl. And these tassels I purchased off of Amazon. And this one's probably my favorite. And it doesn't even look like it's Halloween, but I just love it. I love the moon and the pretty owl. And these beads were also from that same, from that same pack that I picked up at Michael's. That was during Halloween time. Isn't that so cute? Love it. I love the stars inside the glass globe. I just started making these and I couldn't stop, guys. And this one, the black cat, and the candy, and the spider web. These are so cute. And then on this one, I used some little beads with letters, and it spelled out boo. So that's that one. And this one, I spelled out eek. I love Halloween, guys. I could craft for Halloween year-round. That one says eek. Okay, and then I got these clasp little clips from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And these little round things are something you can put coins in. I got those off of Amazon. A little puffy sticker. And then I put some little sequin mixes in there. Some little eyelash trim, and then I added some more of those beads. And on this one I put a witch hat. Thought that would be cute to dangle off of like a pocket letter maybe or something, or send in friend mail. And then I made another one, and I used a glass globe on the bottom of that one. Okay, and then I had these black clothespins, and I just made these with some seed beads and a bat. Thought that would be cute on a pocket letter too. And then I had bought these a while back from Amazon. So I made some ribbon tassels with just some, I got these from Michael's, this trim pack for Halloween. And then I used some more of those beads, and that one I put a ghost, a little lobster claw clasp at the top. Thought those were cute. And here's one I made with a black cat, if I can get him to turn right. There we go. That's super cute. And then this one was another one with a pumpkin. I just love these charms, guys. They're just so cute. And I really love these glass globes. You can use these on anything, not just Halloween. And the last item I have to share with you today is a pokey tool. I bought these beads from Amazon. And I just used the glass globe at the bottom. And I put a witch hat, a bat, and a spider. So now I have me a pokey tool to use when it's Halloween time. So that is my project shares for PandaHall Selected. Thank you so much, Tammy, for being so patient with me. And I hope everyone likes what I have created. Like I said, all the links for everything will be below. My coupon code will be below. I think you get 10% off. I'll put all the information down below. So go check it out. Go over and check out PandaHall Selected. They have tons of things. If you're a crafter, I'm sure you've already checked them out. But if not, you will be amazed at their prices and the things that you can find on their website. Just like anything you could need for crafting. So that is my project share. Thanks, guys. I hope to get back into crafting and posting again more regular. It's just been a hard time for me right now. So thank you so much. I want to say hey to all my friends out there who have been, you know, messaging me and asking me how I was doing, that they missed me on YouTube. So thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. So until next time, guys, bye for now.